Here we will introduce the model SPA639. This is the power line. This is the biophotoelectronic. This is the spray mist gun. The bio handle, 2 pieces. And this is the bipolar RF. 3-polar RF. Hydrodermabrasion handle and its tips. Microdermabrasion handle and its tips. And the last one is the skin scrubber. Okay, now we install the working handle, and this is the skin scrubber. We just need to insert to this hole. Is okay. Okay. The next is the hydrodermabrasion handle. We just need to match the hole and then push it. For example, the big tip into the big hole, and the small tip into the small hole. That is okay. When you want to remove these 2 tubes, firstly, you have to press the black button first, and then pull out. The same. Press black first, and then pull out. When you want to use the microdermabrasion handle, you have to remove the hydrodermabrasion handle first, and then insert the tube, like the same operation. The big tube into the big hole and the small tube into the small hole, like this. Okay. And the next step, you just tie it. It's okay. Okay, the next we will install the 3-polar RF and the bipolar RF. And before insert this working handle, we have to find this small position here, and then match to this hole, and then insert. It's okay, and then tie it. The same operation to another RF, the same. This position match, and then insert. And tie it. Okay, for this side, now we install the spray mist gun first. Before installation, we have to make sure this tip must be up. It means that you have to press this silver button first, and then insert this working handle. You will hear sound. That means it is finished. And when you want to remove this working handle, the same operation, you have to press this silver button first, and then pull out. Finish. Now we install. And then next step, we will install the bio handle. The same. Just need to match the position, and then insert. Is okay. Insert. Same. And then we need to tie it. The same, we need to tie. Finish. And then the last step is the biophotoelectronic. And the same operation with the bio handle. Just match the position and then insert. can tie it. Okay, finish. And this is the wastewater bottle. When the water inside is reached to the third fourth of the bottle, we have to clean out the water inside. Just turn it and then clean. And then install well, it's okay. Please make sure the wastewater bottle is tight enough, or else it will influence the vacuum of the hydrodermabrasion handle and the microdermabrasion handle. And here is the filter for the wastewater also. When you want to clean out the water inside, just need to turn it or use some tools to help you. Okay? Turn it and then clean out and then install well. It's okay. Or we will have another solution for you. When you want to clean the water inside, you just need to use a towel, press this silver tip like this, and the water will come out from the filter. Okay, now we enter into the interface. You can see several functions here. The first one is the hydrodermabrasion and the microdermabrasion handle. When you enter into the interface, you can see that there are 3 bottles here. You can choose. Three bottles. Before doing the hydrodermabrasion and the microdermabrasion treatment, you have to choose the bottle first. Okay, and then adjust the treatment time here. Normally 15 minutes is okay. And then press stop. Okay. And the second function is the oxygen spray mix gun. Adjust the time, treatment time, and then press stop. And the third one is the skin scrubber. The same operation. And the BIO. You can adjust the intensity, treatment time, and then press start. And this is the bipolar RF and the tripolar RF setting. You can adjust the intensity and the treatment time here, and then press start. Here you can choose the working handle. Okay, and next is the BIO photoelectronic. The same operation, and then start. Okay, now we do the treatment. First, we choose the hydrodermabrasion handle, and then before this treatment, we have to choose the bottle here, A, B, C. You can choose any one of it. Okay, now we choose A, and then setting the time, about 15 minutes. Press start. You will see the vacuum and the water flow. And you can adjust the vacuum here, this button, and water level here, water flow level here. Okay, these 2 buttons can control the vacuum pressure and water level. Okay, now we start the skin scrubber treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to put some water on the treatment pot, like this. Put some water on the treatment pot first to make sure that your client feel comfortable when doing the treatment. Okay, and then press start button. Okay, now we start treatment. We can hold this working handle on the treatment part, for example, for 1 second or 2 seconds. And then you will see the water flow. And the vacuum. You can work slowly. If your client can accept the pressure, you can adjust by these 2 buttons here. Here is control the vacuum and the water flow level. And when you want to change the microdermabrasion handle, just need to remove the hydrodermabrasion behind of the machine and then change to the microdermabrasion handle is okay. The same operation with the hydrodermabrasion. Okay, now we do the next treatment. This is the spray mix gun. When we're doing this treatment, we have to inject some water or solution inside. Okay, and for this side we can adjust the intensity for the water level. Here you can adjust. Just turn it, it's okay. Okay, when you press this button, then the treatment is stopped. Okay, now we do the treatment. Okay, next treatment we will use the bio handle. Before doing the treatment, we have to put some gel on the treatment part. Like this. You should make sure that the gel contact your skin directly. Okay, you can use these 2 working handles at the same time, and normally we will start from the lowest intensity, start from 1, okay? And then setting the treatment time, and then press start. Now we do the bipolar RF treatment. Before doing this treatment, we also need to put the gel on the treatment part. Like this, we put the gel on around the eye and then start the treatment. When you're setting the intensity, we will suggest that from the lowest level. Once your clients can accept, you can increase the intensity step by step. And this is the tripolar RF treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to also put the gel on the treatment part, like this. This is for face. Okay, now we start. When doing this treatment, we also should start from the lowest level. Once your clients can accept the intensity, you can increase it step by step. And next, we will do the BIO photoelectronic treatment. Before doing this treatment, we also need to put the gel on the treatment part. Okay, And we adjust the intensity start from 1 and press start. We can do the 2 pieces working handle at the same time.